There you go, everybody. Just thought I'd do a quickly review on my bead roller from Joel's Garage Gear. It's an 18-inch one in the throat, or I think it's 400 and something mil. I can't remember what the conversion is off the top of my head. It's been an awesome little bead roller, and it did the all the repairs in the boot floor here on this, both sides. Sorry about all the dust and shit. And also did the boot floor. I did actually do some other pieces in there, but I've since replaced that floor panel, as you know. So I just thought I'd do a little review on it and just sort of talk a little bit about it and what I thought about it. I've got a smaller one as well. Awesome little bit of kit. The main reason I'm doing this little review now, because I've actually I'm selling a heap of stuff now to try and get a bit of cash together with moving to the States. So I'm just trying to clear out a bit of stuff that I'm not really using in the meantime. My initial plan was, if I've got the car finished and I kept it here in storage, like when I had it registered, I was going to throw that in the boot and and a few other bits and pieces. But it sort of just come crunch time. I'm not going to have the time to finish the car, so it's not going to go in storage. I'm selling it. So I thought I'd do a quick little review on this and just let people know what it's like, especially for people here in Australia. These were a great bunch of guys to deal with. And it comes with all these extra rollers. I was talking to them quite a while ago about getting some extra stuff, and they were in the works of getting more rollers that you could buy, like tipping dies and all that sort of stuff, and making extra stuff. But it's worked perfect for what I need it to. So that's just my little quick review on it. I'd love to show you doing something, but at this point it's not really worth doing anything, because hopefully this guy will be here shortly to pick it up in the next sort of half an hour, an hour. So yeah, I've sold that, and I've got some other stuff up for sale as well. I'll do some videos on them in shortly. Cheers.